The easy recipe for this garlic loaf is going to be on my channel. There should be a link coming right about here that you can click on and watch that video in a little bit slower speed. When I'm done portioning this out, I'll brush it with some butter and then add some garlic and herb seasoning to it. It comes out fantastic, especially for this great meatball sandwich. The tomato sauce recipe is also on my channel. You'll see another link coming up where you'll be able to click on that. Of course, here we've got some nice fried onions, garlic, and mushrooms to add to this fantastic meatball sandwich. Normally, I would cook the meatballs directly in the sauce, but I had these left over from Super Bowl, so I'm adding them into the tomato sauce that I had already prepared. A nice low simmer, and I'll toast that bun and then add the fresh mozzarella, and we'll make sure we melt that under the broiler for a couple of minutes. Oh, it looks just so delicious. Now, construction time on this fantastic, delicious sandwich. We'll add in those fried mushrooms and onions, and then here come our meatballs. And what would this great sandwich be without some extra tomato sauce? We'll make sure we add that on. This is just fantastic. Take a look at that sandwich. Please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel. That way you'll be able to see more great recipes. These meatballs were so tender. I've made them with ground beef, ground veal, and pork. What an amazing flavor combination.
Got the Parmesan, but that's okay. Better late than never. Fold that big bad boy back up. Like that. Like that. That'll still be great. There we go. Let's see if we keep it together. Oh baby, this looks delicious. Boom! Best sandwich I've had. Best one right here. Best one right here. All the recipes are on my channel. Meatballs, tomato sauce, and garlic bread bun. Boom!